Good morning, children. So let me come back with the pair of linear equation in two variables. Example number 3. Previous classes, two example sums I have solved, in which the first example was for representing the intersecting lines on the graph. The second example which I gave was coinciding lines representing on the graph. Now today let me see with the third example. The third example question is, two rays are represented by the equations. Please observe, two rays are represented by the equations. They themselves have given the equations. In the last two example sums which I did, it was asked to represent algebraically. What do you mean by algebraically? I represented these two equations in the previous two examples. But in the third example, they themselves have given the algebraical expression saying x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0. So today my work is only to represent this situation geometrically. Is it clear, children? Two rays are represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0. So let me substitute the values for x and find out y and then plot the graph and represent the given question geometrically. Okay? Let me go with the solution. The solution, take two equations. Which are the two equations? X plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0 and here 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0. As I have told you earlier, you can find the value for either x or y. So as usual, let me find the value for y. So what I will do now, left hand side 2y I keep it is equals to, let me transfer this x and this 4 to the right hand side. What happens, children, if I transfer minus x to right hand side? It becomes plus. Minus 4 to right hand side, it becomes plus 4. Plus x, if I transfer to right hand side, it becomes minus x. Now y is equals to 4 minus x and this 2 which is in the multiplication form, if I transfer, this comes to the denominator, that is division divided by 2. So my equation is now y is equals to 4 minus x divided by 2. Now I should find out the values for y, taking the x value, right? How many values should I take? Either 2 or 3 values enough. So I will take it x, y. Let me take x values as 0. Since denominator is with 2, if I take any even numbers, it will be easy for me to calculate it. So let me go with 2 and 4. So the x values which I have taken here is 0, 2 and 4. Let me substitute for the equation. Y is equals to 4 minus x by 2 is equals to 4 minus, what is the x value I have taken here? 0. So 4 minus 0 divided by 2. What do you want to get? 4 minus 0 is 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2's are, right? So what is the answer I got here? 2. When I take x is equals to 0, got 4 minus 0 divided by 2, 4 by 2 is equals to 2. So I write y value here as 2. Next, y is equals to 4 minus, what is the x value I have taken, the second one? 2. 4 minus 2 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is what, children? 2. 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So I got y value as 1. Next, y is equals to 4 minus, what is the x value I have taken, the next one? 4 divided by 2. 4 minus 4 is 0 divided by 2. Any number divided by, any number if I divide by 0, 0 divided by 2 is what? 0, right? So observe here 0 and 2. 2 zeros are 0. What is my answer? 0. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. I got 0. Is it clear, children? So 4 minus 4 by 2 is 0 by 2. It is nothing but 0. I got the answer 2, 1, 0. Let me check equation. Is it clear? So let me go with the second equation. Make it to the y format here. 4y is equals to, transfer this minus 12, if I transfer it becomes plus 12. Plus 2x if I transfer to right hand side, come minus 2x. Okay? Y is equals to 12 minus 2x plus 4 you transfer to the right hand side. What happens? The multiplication 4 into y. If I transfer the multiplication 4 to right hand side, this comes to division. So y is equals to 12 minus 2x divided by 4. Is it clear, children? 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0. 4y is equals to minus 12. I am transferring to right hand side. It is plus 12. Plus 2x I am transferring to right hand side. It becomes minus 2x. So y is equals to 12 minus 2x and 4, which is in the multiplication form, if I transfer, comes to denominator. 12 minus 2x divided by 4. So let me plot the find the values to plot the graph. Here also let me take 3 values for x. What are the values I will take here? 0. Even here also it is even number. So let me go with same 0, 2 and 4 and check out what I will get the answer. So y is equals to 12 minus 2 into what is x value I have taken? 0 divided by 4. 12 minus 2 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 divided by 4. 12 minus 0 is what? 12 divided by 4. So cancel it. 4 ones are 4 3s are. So what I got the value of y? I got y is equals to 3. Is it clear, children? Next one. Y is equals to, substitute the next value. 12 minus 2 into, what I have taken the next value here? 2 divided by 4. 12 minus 2 2s are, what is 2 2s are? 2 2s are 4 divided by 4. Now tell me 12 minus 4. If you subtract 4 from 12, what you are going to get? 8, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 divided by 4. Cancel. 4 ones are 4 2s are. I got what? 2. Clear? Next one. Y is equals to 12 minus 2 into, what is the next one I have taken here? X value? 4 divided by 4. 12 minus 2 4s are, 2 4s are 8 divided by 4 is equals to 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is what? 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. I got the answer as 1. So please observe, I have taken first equation for the y, substituted values for the x, and I found out what I am going to get the y values. So now let me plot the same thing on the graph and show that how to represent geometrically. Okay, so come for the graph. As I have told, x-axis, what I am going to take the x-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. In the same way, y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Is it clear, children? Let me plot the first graph there. What is the value of x? X is 0, origin. Y is what? 2 plus 2. So I should go up 0 to 2. So my first point is 0, 2. 0, 2. Clear? And the next one. 2. 2. Where is 2? Here is 2. And 1. 2 and 1. See? 2, 1. 2, 1. The next one. 4. 4 is here. 0. 0 means I should plot it there itself. So 0, 4, 0. 4, so 0. This is my points which I got. 0, 2, 2, 1, 4, 0. Now I should join this complete points. Right, children? So let me join that points. Observe. to 0. Okay. So let me plot the graph for the second one. 0, 3. Where is 0, 3? Here. 0, 3. Next one. 2, 2. 2 is here. 2 is here. Right? So 2, 2. Next 4, 1. 4, 1. So this is my form. 4, 1. Clear, children? So let me draw the line now. This is for which equation? This is for 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. What you can observe in this graph, children? The two lines are also what? Parallel. Clear? So three examples which I have solved for you. The first one, the lines were what? Intersecting. Right? First example which I showed you was intersecting lines. Second one which I showed was coinciding. Coinciding. The third one is what? Parallel lines. Parallel lines. Clear, children? So whenever we represent the given equations geometrically or graphically, geometrically we can also tell as graphically. So when we represent the given equations geometrically or graphically, which are the types of lines I am going to get? I can get intersecting lines, coinciding lines and parallel lines. Is it clear? So what type of solutions we will get it if it is intersecting, coinciding or parallel? We will study in the next class. Is it clear, children? So please see that you will replay the video twice or thrice and understand and go with completion of the